Oh, now we're talking 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, 707 horsepower out of the supercharged Hemi motor right from the factory. This car is amazing. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at all of our inventory. Over 200 cars right now. Each car for sale will have a price tag along with a monthly payment as well. But for right now, join me. You better buckle up. Let's go for a spin. Car's got about 9,600 miles on it. I just been walking around it, looking in and out. It looks practically brand new. You know, if you enjoy the muscle cars, but you're not into maintaining an older car, I mean, this is the way to go. Excuse me. You know, right from the factory, 707 horsepower, has all the luxuries, has a big screen, has all the sensors, you know, low maintenance, take it to the dealership, turnkey, just go have fun. So the body looks like it's in excellent shape, clean Carfax, never any accidents, has a rear spoiler. They did a good job of, excuse me, mimicking the original 70 Challenger. The spoiler looks just like the spoiler on the Challenger TA. Has split LED taillights. The bumper has not been bumped. It all looks to be in great shape. Now, I didn't tell you about the color yet. You're looking at it like, well, yeah, it's red. Well, first of all, red ones I think are amazing. I get a lot of black ones. The red really pops. And this is Redline Red Pearl. I read that. I'm like, pearl? It just looked like a red car. Seeing it under these lights, it does have a metal flake and a little bit of pearl. It really gets highlighted when the sun and a different light hits it. So this is not just a red car. Metal flake pearl. It's beautiful. And as I'm yakking here, walking around, I don't see a nick or a chip. The paint looks to be in excellent shape. Smooth and glossy. Has the chin spoiler down there. Love these lights. I put my arm right through the headlight because that's where the air goes into the engine, right through the middle of the headlights. The grill, all this is looking great. These are functional vents in the hood. I think the middle one is as well. Everything still fits really nice. No issues, no chips, no scrapes, dents. At least not that I'm seeing. I really haven't found one yet. You can see the windows have been blacked out, make it even more menacing. The top portion of the windshield's blacked out. So when you're in there with the windows all up, it's pretty cool. It's got 20-inch blacked out wheels with performance tires. So why don't we open it up, show you how cool that motor looks and the luxury interior. All right, I got two surprises for you. Trunk compartment's like brand new. You got the felt and the jams are clean. The rubber's not nicked or beat up. Look how big that is. I was not expecting that big trunk. And I'm 99% sure the seats actually fold down to give you even more room. So that's surprise number one, how big the trunk is. Here's surprise number two. I almost didn't even open it, but check out what we got going on. Two Harman Kardon subwoofers. They don't give you a spare. It comes with an air pump, and then there's where the battery's located. But look how brand new it looks. Trunk light works. See, that's pretty cool. We do have a Buy It Now button on our website. You should see the people when they want a car and someone else beats them to it. So if you like something, you get to Buy It Now. That just holds it for you while you're doing your thinking. Now, this is a deluxe interior. It's the Laguna leather. Look at the door panel. Mint shape. Chrome door handles. It's got white stitching. Very cool looking dash. I'm just going to hit the start button and see what lights up. I think it's a 200 mile an hour speedometer. 9,619 miles. Over here you have the U-Connect 7-inch screen. We got heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. The whole dash is mint. The machine turn trim is all mint. All the chrome and vents are mint. You got the owner's manuals. Let me figure out how to shut that off. There we go. I got a 12-volt receptacle on this side. The console's wrapped in leather and stitched, and the machine turned trim. You got a sport shifter. You got the dual zones, heat and air. You got the red starter button. This leather is so soft. It's the Laguna leather. Look at these sport seats, how they're just going to hold you in place. And then the back seat, actually pretty sporty too. It is contoured almost, it's a bench, but it's like 2 bucket seats with the room in the middle. It has an armrest that folds down, and it's also soft leather, and it's in like brand new shape. Headliner, side panels, all the plastic trim. I don't see a flaw in here. It has this real cool steering wheel with all the controls. It has paddle shifters. It's got some nice pedals down there. Some aftermarket WeatherTech floor mats protecting the carpet. 18 speaker. This is the upgraded premium stereo that's in here too. Who would have thought 707 horsepower from the factory? You wouldn't think that'd even be legal, but here you go. And it's like brand new. It's not corroded. It's not grimy or dirty. You got all that horsepower, and you can drive with the air conditioning on, the cruise control. That's why I'm saying if the old cars aren't for you, but you still want a cool, fast muscle car, you want to participate in car shows, you want to get thumbs up when you're driving, this is a real good car to do that. I'm going to guess this is an aftermarket airbox, AFE Power GT Momentum. I don't think that's Mopar, so this might be aftermarket right here. Other than that, it looks completely stock, and it looks immaculate in here. So, Caleb's going to take you for a ride. I hope he brings it back in one piece.
All right, so we are in one of my favorite modern muscle cars, the 2016 Hellcat Challenger. Probably Dodge's best design, combining a modern vehicle with ties of an old one. The style's just uncomparable than any other car on the market, and what you get out of the factory, the power, the technology. I mean, this thing's loaded. I feel pretty pampered right now. I got the heated seat and steering wheel on, nice Laguna leather seats. You have a full customizable dash. It's all digital, same with the touchscreen here. You can go through it. Obviously everything's functional in here. We're sitting at just under 10,000 miles, 9,600. Look at how easy it is to use. Just very simple interface. This has the SRT, or what is it, the premium audio package. Sorry guys, I'm drawing a blank. It's got the subwoofers in the back, one of the best sound systems out of the box. Active damping suspension. Here, let's go through the modes here. Right now it's just in default, so it's on a street tune and suspension setup, but I'm using the red key, so all 700 horsepower is unlocked. We do have the Power Commander plug-in on sport mode as well, so that's just going to liven up the throttle response. Again, everything just very easy to use. Dual climate control. You have launch control right down here. Helps it out. Even parking sensors, but let's see what she's got. We're going to do a 0 to 60 in probably a blink of an eye. Okay, maybe that was a little faster than 60, but we're not looking at that. But yeah, drives very smoothly. I mean, I was not even halfway down on the gas pedal, and this thing just wants to take off. I did keep traction control on because it's a little cold out. Tires do spin unless you warm them up pretty good. But yeah, just a very smooth, comfortable car. Probably one of the most comfortable modern sports cars on the market. There's really nothing to nitpick on these Hellcats. It's literally has everything that you would want. You can't go wrong with it. And this one's in a really nice color.
So I didn't mention it is a 6.2 liter V8 supercharged Hemi engine. Underneath the car is extremely clean, no signs of damage, nothing funny looking. It's just really nice and clean. I'm going to refer to my notes here, tell you a little bit about it. Rear stabilizer bar, rain brake support, anti-spin differential, posi rear, all-speed traction control, electronic stability control. It has Bilstein SRT tuned three-mode active suspension. And then the brakes. Look at the size of these red Brembo brakes. I imagine those are 6-piston, big giant rotors. Red Brembos in the back as well. They're slotted rotors. And then the exhaust. It has an awesome sounding exhaust. I just love cracking that throttle and hearing that. So go to volocars.com. The salesman will help answer your questions. They can get this delivered. They can get you financed. And if you enjoyed the video, subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.